see some problems in exercise 1.2. Read the first question, children. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively. What do you mean by respectively? So, for first there are 1094 tickets sold. Second day 1812 tickets sold. Third day 2050 tickets sold. And final day 2751 tickets was sold. So, what they asked to find the total number of tickets sold. So, what we have to do now? We have to add these three numbers to get the total number of tickets sold. First write tickets sold on first day equal to 1094. Same, 6 tickets sold on second day 1812. Tickets sold on third day 2050. Tickets sold on final day, it was 2751. So, you have to add these 4 numbers to get the total number of tickets sold in the book exhibition. Okay. So, 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 10, 17, 22, sorry, 10, 20, 10, 17, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, total tickets sold in the book exhibition was 7707. So, total tickets sold in the book exhibition was 7707. This is your first problem. Pass. This is your second question, children. Read this question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs he need to complete 10,000 runs? So, first what they given? Runs scored by Shekhar in test matches. How many runs he scored in test matches? 6,980. Second one. Runs Shekhar wish to score. How much score he wish to score? Yes, it is 10,000. He wished to score 10,000 runs. Runs he need to complete 10,000 scores. Still, how many runs he need to complete this 10,000 scores? So, we have to subtract this 6,980 with 10,000 to find the runs to complete this 10,000 scores. 0, you have to borrow 9, 1, 10, 0. So, he need 4,120 runs to reach 10,000 scores. So, he need 4,120 runs to reach 10,000 scores. Once again, I repeat this, children. So, runs scored by Shekhar in test matches equal to 6,980. But he wished to score 10,000 runs. Yes? Still, he needs some more runs to reach this 10,000, right? So, how to find this? You have to subtract this 6,980 to 10,000 to find the remaining runs to reach 10,000 scores, right? So, your final answer is 4,120. So, therefore, he needs 4,120 runs to reach 10,000 scores. This is your fifth problem. Read this question, children. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. So these are the 5 digits which are given in this question. You have to make one greatest number and you have to make one least number, and you have to find the difference between those two numbers. So shall we make the greater number first? Yes. Which is the greatest number among these 5 digits? Yes, 7 is the greatest number. After 7, 6. After 6 it is 4. 3, 2. So this is the greatest number which I formed by using these 5 digits. So which is the smallest number? You have to write the smallest number in the reversed order, right? So 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 is the least number. Yes? So shall we find the difference between these two numbers? Yes. So 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So you have to borrow, 2, 5, 12, 3. So 12 minus 6, 6. You have to borrow another number because it is 3. 13 minus 4, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. What is your answer? 52,965. So the difference between the greatest and least number is 52,965. Now, next, sixth sum. Read this question, children. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2020? So, screws manufactured in a day. What they given first? Screws manufactured in a day, that is 2,825. So, what they asked to find, how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2020? So, screws manufactured in a month. So, 1 month equal to how many days? 30 days. 1 month equal to how many days? 30 days. But it is a January month, right? So, January has 31 days. So, you have to find the screws manufactured in 31 days. If one day there are 2,825 screws manufactured, then how many screws manufactured in 31 days? You have to multiply this 2,825 with 31. Shall we do this multiplication? Okay. This is your multiplication. So, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 2 is 2. Now, second you have to multiply this with 3 with 2, 8, 2, 5, right? So, 5 3s are 15, balance 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 8s are 24, 4, balance 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Now, you have to add these two, 5, 7, 15, 7. So, screws manufactured in the month of January. Screws manufactured in the month of January 2020 is 87,575. So, once again I repeat this question, children. Listen to me carefully. First, they had given screws manufactured in a day, that is 2,825. Then they asked the screws which are manufactured in 1 month, that is January month. So, 1 month equal to 30 days, but in January there are 31 days. So, you have to multiply this 31 with 2825 to get the total screws manufactured in the month. So, your final answer is 87,575. That is, screws manufactured in the month of January 2020 is 87,575. Thank you, children.